Your team keeps working exactly as they do today. When they need a document, they click the DocuWare button. Everything is instantly available. This demo will show you exactly what your process will look like in DocuWare. You're not losing anything you're doing in your case management system, you're gaining more. Getting documents into the system is faster and easier.
First, select Search, then choose the type of search you want from the drop-down.
Depending on what you select, a search form opens below. Fill in the fields tied to that search. In this case, we're searching by name. Then run the search. Now you're looking at everything tied to that case. All documents are here in one place. Click Medical Records. Now you're only looking at medical files. And if you need something specific, just search for it and go right to it.
If you're preparing a case, you don't go digging through reports. You go straight to what matters. And when it comes to billing, you can go straight to the exact charge you're looking for.
DocuWare automatically monitors a law firm's inbox, captures qualifying legal documents based on defined rules, stores them in the correct matter folder, and routes them to the right team members for review or approval.
The copier just received the incoming fax. It's automatically forwarded as a PDF to Outlook. The system ingests it, performs OCR, and indexes the data. Then it routes the document to the team.
Legal documents arrive and are organized for processing. They are placed into the scanner for batch capture. The document is processed instantly. OCR runs automatically, extracting key data. Fields populate without manual entry, fast, accurate, and enterprise grade.
The system reads the document, pulls the key information, and places it directly into the correct fields. Once that's done, everything becomes instantly searchable.
From the portal, select and download your bundled PDFs. Drag them into the DocuWare hot folder to begin processing. The system automatically splits OCRs. Files are routed securely to your team for approval. Before we begin, here's how this works. Simple rules identify where each document starts. The system scans for key data and groups pages, then classifies each file. If anything is unclear, it's flagged, not misfiled. The system looks for consistent data points to identify each record. When key fields repeat together, a new document starts. Nothing is guessed, it's based on structure. These fields repeat across claim documents. They add the same claim number and ensured match, pages stay together. When that changes, a new file begins. That's how separation stays accurate. These documents come from different sources: hospitals, insurance carriers, police, and email systems. But they all contain identifying data the system can recognize. That's what allows them to be processed automatically. Not every document contains all required fields. If the claim number is missing, the system cannot match it to a file. Instead, it flags the document for review. This ensures every page is filed correctly. These fields repeat across police reports. They identify each incident file. When the same report number and date match, pages stay together. When that changes, a new file begins. That's how separation stays accurate. When documents come in, they're usually scanned together as one large PDF. You can see all the pages here. Different documents, all inside one file. The system automatically analyzes the file, detects where each document begins and ends, and separates everything for you. The system uses predefined rules to understand each document, looking at keywords, layout, and structure. That's how it knows what each document is and where it belongs, and anything that doesn't match is flagged for review.
If a document doesn't clearly match the rules, it's set aside for review, so nothing gets misclassified. Open the document, go to the stapler tool, and choose where the new file should begin.
Confirm the selection and staple it. Now those pages are all one file and will be indexed correctly.
Everything's already structured. I don't have to figure anything out. Now that's automation.
If you want to take it a step further, you can add AI. This looks beyond simple rules and finds connections across documents, names, dates, and patterns to group documents more intelligently. Even with AI, If something isn't clear, it's still flagged for review. Most firms run perfectly well without it and add it later as they grow.
DocuWare is splitting these PDFs so fast, what a game changer. Now I can prep discovery instead of fighting with PDFs all day.
DocuWare processes hundreds of documents automatically. When exceptions appear, they're flagged and routed for review, while the rest of the work continues without interruption. Every document is tracked the moment it comes in, and if it's not handled in time, it's automatically routed so nothing gets missed. TGI, thinking great ideas since 1964.